36.
Surah Yasin. This is a Makki surah revealed sometime in the middle Makkan period. It has 83 verses in 5 sections. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The truth of the Quran and the truth of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number 2. Allah's messengers were sent to the other people. The response of those to whom the prophets were sent and the results of their denial. Number 3. Allah's signs in nature to remind about the day of resurrection. Number 4. The scenes of the day of resurrection. Number 5. Reminders about death and the day of judgment.